Hello everyone. I'm at the mall right now. Look at that. Leaves changing colors. Look like autumn. Autumn color. Another day, another night vlog. This is a new mall. Look at that, guys. Keep changing colors. This is a new mall. Oh, Longchamp. Yan, sa baba. Oh, Longchamp mo, guys. Longchamp. Ayan, oh, Longchamp. The expensive bag. There's Louis Vuitton in here. There's a Crocs. There's a Sephora. And there's everything. Coach. Ray-Ban. Sarah. Nice. Oh, look at that garden. Whoa, bikini. Pajama. Pajama, Christmas pajama. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful. Gucci. Hello. Andito po sa side niya yung Louis Vuitton, guys. There. Oh, may pila, oh. Louis Vuitton. Gucci. Bibigatin na ano to, guys. Bibigatin na mall. Milyonaryo mga pupunta dito. Bibigatin. Pero pag, ano lang, window shopping lang. Diba? Kung hindi bibigatin, magaan-gaan lang. It's nice. Look at the pinya. Whoa. Cinema. Louis Vuitton, guys, ayun, no. Ito, Louis Vuitton, yan. Magkatabi yung mamahalin, no, guys. So, Gucci, saka Louis Vuitton. Sana all. Diba? Changing color. Wow, dito are arcades. Arcades, guys, arcades. Wow, arcades. Whoa! This big one. Big one, guys, is moving. There's no people. Yummy. There's the highway. Too much kids there inside, guys. That game. Too much kids. Hindi pwede tayo doon. Daming bata. Dito lang tayo ikot-itot. Ikot-itot. Cinema. Look at the two. Cineplex. Cinema, guys. Cinema. Cinema. Pila, guys. Oh, Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Oh, di ba? Pila, pila. Pasko ay, Pasko. Limit lang. Limit lang na sa loob. Hindi tayo pwede dyan. Bibigatin yan. Bibigatin. Magaan lang tayo. Bagong mall to, guys. Bagong mall. I think 2 years pa lang ito. Yeah, 2 years pa lang itong mall na ito. Maganda maglakad-lakad lang kahit hindi ka bibili. Kasi malaki siya. Window shopping ba? Tingin-tingin lang. 'Di ba? Tingin-tingin lang. Gucci! Oh, di ba? Guys, not open yet, guys. Oh, January. Ay, yung tindang yon. May kubo doon, guys. Lapitan natin. May kubo. Ano kayang bentay niyan? Fishball? Kwek-kwek? Barbecue? Ayun oh. May kunting ano siya. Uniqlo. Over there, Uniqlo. A&W. Christmas. Whoa. Chocolate. Hi. Chocolate, right? Okay. Chocolate. Alright, and that's it and that's all. Pwede aso, guys. Ayun ang aso, oh. Pwede yung aso mag-mall dito. Shopping. Ayun, oh, sa aso. Tuta. Siya shopping yung aso. Alright, that's it and that's all. Merry Christmas and everyone in advance. Babush!